Around the 5th century, a mathematician by the name of Sun Tzu wrote a mathematical treatise called Sunzi Suanjing, which is basically the first occurrence of the infamous Chinese Remainder Theorem. In the text, the following problem was stated, which translates to the following. In modern language, we are basically given a set of objects with size, say, x. Then, if we break x in threes, we get a remainder of 2, i.e. x mod 3 is 2, and similarly, x mod 5 and x mod 7 are 3 and 2 respectively. And we are asked to find the value of x. These types of problems are solved using the basic CRT algorithm. Basically, we first calculate the modulus product, which is 105. Then, find the partial products for each congruence, like so. Then finally, we need modular inverses that satisfy this new system of congruences. Simplifying the system using some properties, we get this. We want the minimum values of these nu1, nu2, and nu3, so we get these values. Then a solution of x is the sum of these terms, which is 233. Modulo 105, this is 23. So the smallest solution for x is 23. And every solution looks like this. You can check for yourself that 23 satisfies all three congruences. And we're done. If you like these types of math videos, then make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Oh, and also, YouTube has a bell thingy which keeps you notified of new videos, so if you like my style of videos, might as well hit the bell too. Peace out.